Are you having trouble with Instagram? Putting forth a lot of work to become an influencer, but not having much luck? Let me explain your issues and the specific actions you must take if you have only a few Instagram followers. Welcome to Snow Creators Lab. Out of the millions of accounts we see on Instagram, there's only a limited number of people and a limited number of postings being viral. It just seems so easy for others to gain hundreds of likes and followers, while so challenging for some people to achieve either of those. Many of you have clicked on this video to grow and get more exposure out of your Instagram account. You would have gotten a few followers had you continuously posted high quality content and then used hashtags. Then you would realize that it's difficult to win over more followers. In this video, I'll share the most typical mistakes people make when starting Instagram and tell you what you really need to accomplish. Step number 1. Know your target. I see a lot of people posting about different subjects on Instagram, but I'm never quite sure what they're trying to say. You may run a successful track if you're aware of the objective of your channel and your target audience. Here comes the next question. How? Find a profitable niche. List the subjects you feel at ease talking about, such as fashion, pets, travel, or health. Then look for the content that folks in these sectors have posted on Instagram. If you discover successful influencers in those fields who are posting something you feel excited about, you found your target. Step number 2. Choose a consistent tone scheme for your Instagram feed. When an ideal audience swipes onto your Instagram account, they'll probably go through your Instagram feed and see what you normally post. If your feeds don't look organized, you wouldn't be able to appeal to them. You can decide on a basic tone scheme or tone palette for your Instagram feed. This will help make your images and videos look like a curated collection and not a pile of cluttered content. So, what you can do is use a photo editing app to adjust your photos. I'm going to use EPIK, an all-in-one photo editing tool, to complete the task. I'll show you what to do. You will notice Batch Edit when you open the EPIK app. Select up to 9 photos of your favor by clicking it. Then, the same effects will be applied to all 9 photos, even if you just modify one. So, among the ones I've chosen, I'm going to modify this first picture. Personally, I prefer cool tone images, so I'll head to adjust and lower the brightness and contrast to give them an aesthetic look. Let's reduce the contrast to 50 and the brightness to 70. I'll save the picture now, so let's see how it turned out. Keep in mind that we created these 9 photographs all at once by using the batch tool. I know what you're thinking. What if I want to use the same effects again in the future? I got the answer. You can use EPIK's custom filter. Click Filters and choose My from the toolbar. The words Create Your Own Filter will appear. Click it and then select the raw photo that you want to modify. After making any necessary edits, click the check mark. I'll just skip the editing steps for this. As you can see, my one will appear in the My area. By clicking the setting icon, you can also change the name. How do you feel? It's really simple to maintain a consistent tone for your images, right? Step number 3. Use Instagram stories wisely. When promoting your account and communicating with your followers, the Instagram story is a great tool. Some of your followers may miss your new postings, but they will almost certainly check out your Instagram stories. Instagram stories are genuinely interactive and they help you connect with your target audience on a more personal level. Making your Instagram story visually appealing is a good method to attract viewers. I usually use the EPIK app to edit my photo for my Instagram story, and I'll show you how. You can access the template area by using the EPIK app. Click it and then type Instagram into the search box. You'll find several templates made by EPIK users just like these. You can also navigate through the many tabs at the top, including Digital UI and Simple. Look for the one you believe might work well for your Instagram stories and select it. Add the image you posted onto your feed and then begin tweaking. When working with layers, you can either modify a layer to make changes or make any layer invisible. Picking this, I'll add the image that I edited. Let me change the account's name to mine. I'll then change the caption to show new posts. See? Basic but appealing. The edit only took me a minute to do. After you finish your edit, go to Instagram and save the URL to your most recent post. Go to the Instagram story after that. Add the photo that we altered using EPIK. Bring up the toolbar and you can select link. You can customize the sticker text after pasting the link that you just copied. For mine, I'll just type new post. A link will appear after you click done, and you can place this bar wherever you like and then post it onto your story. It might be more appealing to your followers this way, and they might visit your feed to check out more. Make sure you add some of your productive stories to your highlights for the newcomers. So, people, Do you get some ideas for growing your Instagram account? Turns out that maintaining an Instagram account doesn't require a lot of work. Knowing your audience, maintaining consistency with your feed, and utilizing Instagram stories effectively will help you spice up your account and attract more followers. Hopefully this video gave you some productive ideas. I'll be leaving a link in the description to EPIK, the photo editing tool we use today. Feel free to check it out. Thank you for watching, and for more tips like these, be sure to like and subscribe to Snow Creators Lab.